sure to subscribe to my channel by smashing that subscribe button. Now literally smash it. And today's video we are going to be making clear slime, and I think this is going to be amazing slime, so let's get started. What you need for this slime video is a bowl, a mixing tool, clear glue, water, and some contact solution and glitter. Okay, now we got our materials. Let's get started. So, to a bowl, you're going to need to add some glue, clear glue. Add all of the glue in the bottom. And then you make sure try to make sure there's not that much air bubbles. Then what you're going to do is you're going to add a little bit of water, about two spoonsful. And you're just going to mix all of that together. And then you're going to add in your contact solution. I would add in baking soda, but I don't want it to, I want it to be really clear. So I feel like the baking soda might not work. So yeah. So add in your contact solution, maybe a little bit at a time. If it's not really working, then I've added in too much water, so I'm going to try to make sure I'm going to add in more. A little bit more. This. It's more like water, and I don't really want that like that. So you're just going to mix all of that in until it is slime. So I'm going to show you one. So the slime would not work when I did not add baking soda. So of course I had to add baking soda, and I added in glitter, and now it is beautiful. Look at this. Can stretch forever. So, make sure that you make this slime and you subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and make sure you have fun sliming. Bye!